a bit windy today. Lovely weather, but just a bit windy. Yeah, I wonder if I've got something in the mail drop. Right, let me just check it out. RevelatorAlf. Now, I'm going to point this camera to there. Now, usually on these GoPros, I tend to use one of these wind socks on there, Windslayers. But that's like a trade name. But a company got in touch with me and they said, look, we do one as well. I said, well, send it over then. Let's have a look, see what's what. Foam Windslayer housing. Look at that. Now, the great thing about this is, any of these, they're all pretty good, I've got to say, is that if you're running GoPros, whatever it is, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you can find a Windslayer, a foam outer housing for it, and it actually cuts down on the noise quite significantly. It's really good. Yeah, I'm not sure what these are supposed to fit. I think these are for 9s. Well, that's no good to me, because I haven't got a line. Yeah, I was thinking about getting one, but I haven't got one. If you've got a 9, these would be really good. I'll leave the link in the description for you anyway. Look, because it's not always what it's supposed to be. Look, you want to cut out a bit of the wind noise, get these. These are pretty good, I've got to say. This company, they've assured me that they make these kind of things for all sorts of GoPros and all sorts of other equipment as well, so maybe go check them out as well. But I say this, if you've got a running 9, which I plan to get actually in the future, so I'm going to keep hold of these, get some of these as well. They're really good. It actually just cuts down on the external noise a little bit. So I say I'm running this Windslayer, or one of these type, on the GoPro which I'm running now, so it actually dramatically cuts the wind down. Have a look at these, really good. Bit of extra padding, cut down the wind, they cover over the mics, but also you've got all the little access points, you know, for you to push it on, turn it off, all that kind of stuff. Right, anyway, this good. Thanks very much for sending this. HSU, I think they're called. Yeah, HSU. I don't know. How about you? There's something else in here as well. Oh, look, they've even sent me a side panel for GoPro 9 as well. Look at that. That's really good actually, because when I do plan to get a GoPro 9 next month, I've got a couple of things with it already done. But I wanted to bring this to you. These foam Windslayers are really good. So you can get them for all the different GoPros, and I'm sure if you looked around you get them for all different sorts of cameras as well. Go for it. I'll put the link in the description for you anyway. I forgot to say, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell, like and share. Check out the website, RevelatorAlf.